Why are you you? Why are you? I don't know the meaning this question, but uh, this question had me remember. I always ask myself, who are you? Why you choose working so far, family? Why you choose alone and stay to another country? And I find out the answer. I choose working here because I want to explore the world. I want to know what they do in their project, how they make their plan, how they make the schedule, and how they operation this project. Yeah, I ask question and I answer, so I know why. And right now, why are you? Right now, I just finished my project, so only less some task in my responsibility. But I cannot work like play and waiting for take money. I cannot do that. I try to find out what I can do. I try to connect. I try to communicate with another team to ask them, you need me help or not? To ask them, can I learn what are you doing? Sometimes I feel why you do like this. You can see a lot of people they finish their work, they can relax, they can enjoy. But why you do like this? So I ask and I find the answer because I'm Egyptian. I'm from Vietnam and I don't want they say any bad thing to Vietnam guy. I come here for working, for earn more money and earn more experience. But I truly believe myself. If I'm working in my country, I also can I can earn the money same price here if I work more. Thank you.